But forever and ever, we never had the billiards table in the billiards room. And of course, for those of you who don't know, the game of billiards is really not the game of pool, even if they do have to be played with very similar items like balls, cue sticks, on tables with holes. Really, the point of playing billiards isn't necessarily to sink the balls into the holes, but to hit the balls, to hit certain balls in certain ways to score certain points. And the wildest part about the rules is if you score in the game, some of those scores have literally the ability to be done 75 times in a row. You may score 1 or 2 or 3 points in scoring. That means if you can constantly score and score and score, it makes this scoreboard look a lot more relevant. And those are some pretty high-level rules on this side of the board. So we are, I'm anticipating a very high scoring game here. With that being said, I just wanted to leave with a thought about gambling and the revolution. The revolution in and of itself can really be looked at as a gamble without even thinking too hard about it. We really have no reason to believe we're going to win a war against the most powerful army and navy anybody's ever known at the time. When we are a part of that army and navy, except we have no army and navy here in Virginia. We don't have a standing army. We don't have a standing navy. We're about to declare ourselves independent of the only group of people who've ever protected us, the English Army and Navy. So we know what we're getting into. We know this is not going to be easy. It's going to be a difficult venture. And yet we do it anyways. We take that gamble, roll the dice, and hope that in spite of the fact the French-Indian War has barely been over for a decade, that maybe those people who just finished fighting a decade ago might help us out. You know, the whole enemy of my enemy is my friend thing. So we don't know. But the Declaration of Independence, of course, is written to tell everybody what we're about to do, and probably more importantly, to tell the rest of the world what we were about to do and why we were doing it. And of course, we do get support, we do get help. Eventually,